What up, guys? So take a look at these shorts. They're white, but they're not a bright white. Kind of a dingy or dirty white. Same thing with this Oregon Duck shirt. It's white, but it's not bright white. Now, I was looking for different products to help with this and came up with this one as the best. It is called liquid bluing. A lot of people use it on their guns, the steel, to make it look better. Well, it also works to get your clothes white. What you want to do, dump a little bit into some water, and you're just going to run your regular load. I actually ran it pretty light, a small load, so there wasn't tons of water. I went ahead and used soap as well. Get that started, let a little water fill up, and then I'll go ahead and throw these socks in too. But you can see the water filling. You just take your liquid bluing, dump it on in, and run your normal cycle. You'll probably want to start off with just a little bit, maybe a teaspoon of it. And we'll take a look at the outcome. Here is the shorts. See how bright those are? Big difference compared to earlier. And we'll take a look at that same shirt, the Oregon Duck shirt. That's nice. Much brighter. Good product. Liquid blue.